Blocking a message in Yahoo Mail is a simple process. For that, you need to go ahead, open your mail.yahoo.com, log into your account, and once you're in the home page, go ahead and open a mail that you want to block. So in order to block a message, you need to block the sender. So tap on the three dots, that is the more icon from the top of the screen. You will get the option of block sender, that is between mark as spam and add sender to contact. Go ahead and tap on that. Check all of these three options, which will also block all the future emails from this sender and all the existing emails in your account. Then go ahead and tap on block, that is highlighted in red color, and you'll be done. You can see the indication of blocked sender added, and the message has also been deleted from the selected sender. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.